Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, we're going to be building a very small project, a very simple project. It's called a order book for restaurants. So if you have a restaurant, you can add this to your website. People can make an order and you can deliver to them. So let's test it out. So let's say we have donor here, donor. Then we have main road as the address. Then we have just a random phone number. Then we have like come pick up is going to be eating like a salad. Let's say I want Coke. So when you click your order has been submitted to the backend. So you could go back. So here you could look for the users like this. Click on search, you can see donut and you can bring all users. So these are all dummy data that have been inserted into the database. So we're going to be building our own from scratch. So we can remove, show this, show that. So it's a very simple project. And like I said earlier, if you have a restaurant, you can add this to your restaurant. You can think of other things you can tweak it. You can change the background color, you can shift this to the middle here, you can shift it to the edge here. You can just do it the way you like it. So let's start. So I'm going to be using Sublime Text. I have jQuery inside. I have Font Awesome here. I'm going to be using the Font Awesome. I created a new folder called user page. So this Speak Go is the name of our application we are building here. Is the name of our application we are building here. So it's going to be in your hot docs here, like this. That's the way it's going to be. It's going to be in hot docs. Open it with Sublime Text, then create a user page folder there. You can download jQuery online. You can do that. So let's begin, guys. So here we're going to create a file. We're going to call this file order page. Yes, order page dot html. So we're going to be using Bulma for our front end. So you can go to Bulma front end there. You can click on start. You can go down, locate the CDN, the link down there, add it here. The next thing we are doing here also is we're going to take this link, copy. Sorry about that. I shouldn't. Let me rename it. Just copy everything, then say pick go slash this slash css slash all.css. okay, that's good. So now let's start building. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to have a section. We're going to have a section. In this section we're going to have a class of columns like that, and we're going to have a div like this class here. So we're going to say that the card is still fits in is offset 4. Says PT5 PM6 and it's a column. Next we're going to have H1 here. We'll call this is going to be a class also. So say as text centered says centered text weight bold, just pick go, test it out, click on this. Okay, it's working. So say is size 3. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing have a card header. So in this card header, we're going to say we have a card header title, make your first orders. So we can copy, so it's good like that. So now the next thing we're going to do now is let's open another page. It's going to be card content, then let's open a form. So we're going to make use of some components in Bulma. Just click on element, click on form. We're going to make use of the form elements in Bulma. Click on input, click here on font awesome. Just copy what you have here, the first one, copy it there, come down here like this. Okay, as text with bold, here's going to say your name. Here's going to be text. Here is going to be your name. There's going to be a user. Copy it again. Paste it down here again. The next thing that is going to be current address, so we have it on the left. We're going to say we have location arrow. Take this span away, we don't need it. Copy it again, paste again. There is going to be a phone. It's going to be a phone number. It's going to be a phone number. Let's see how it looks like. Refresh it. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, that's a user. That's all. So right, the next thing we're going to do right now is going to be very, very simple also. It's going to be very, very simple also. It's going to create another div. It says field. Create a label which is an as class or as class bold. Then here is going to be delivery type. So the next thing here, we are going to have it's going to be select. It's going to be selecting is link. Say pt_. Then we're going to have select, go this down, option, there we're having a value. I'm going to say home delivery, copy it there. Office delivery, pick up, here we can say pick _up. Yes, so we can copy this field here again. Oh, did a mistake with the characters. Copy this field here again. Specified HTML. We specify it very well. So we can copy again. We can say here should be delivery food. So we can say this one should be pizza. This should be pizza. This should be cake. Example, you can add any type of food menu there. This should be cake. This should be pepper. Sorry about that, guys. Delete. We have pepper that way. So I get to have another text there. But before we have a button, let's have a extra text here. So here was going to be add your extra wishes. Text area. It's going to be a button. It's going to be sub. It's going to be submit. Success and it's full width. So let's see it out. Let's see how it looks like. So it looks pretty good. So 5, 6. So guys, let's add the background color. So not to forget, guys, you guys can add your own background color to it. You know, you can add different background colors. If you are uploading it on your restaurant website, you can add your own background color, change it, tweak it. If you're a better developer to tweak it for you very well. So this is all for now. This is good for now. So now the next thing we are going to be doing right now is sending this information to the database. Yes, that's the next thing we're going to be doing for now. So now I'm going to create a new database. I'm going to call it food order. Yes, let's call it food order. So now I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to create a new folder inside here. I'm going to call it backend. This backend, I'm going to have con of message. I'm going to have connection of con. So I'm going to have a class. Model. We are not extending any other class. Okay. Model. Private. Localhost is 127.0.0.0. 13308. That's my own. Private. Username should be root. Private. Password is empty. Private. Database is food order. So go to connection this to connect. There's a DSN. It's going to be equals to SQL. Host equals to this localhost dot db name equals to so here we're going to have PDO equals to an object. Say DSN. Say this dot username password. Then we're going to say PDO should be set an attribute. Set an attribute. So PDO should be set R. Yes, you could say default. There's going to be fetch PDO. It's going to be fetch a sock. Return PDO. We're going to delete this one here. Like that. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a database table. Create table, let it pick go to course terminal ID, increment primary key, to our primary key, not no. Okay, there's going to be phone, there's going to be an address, there's going to be delivery type, there's going to be price, there's going to be delivery food, there's going to be date, there's going to be wishes. So we're going to click go. Okay, click go. So under the backend, we are going to create a new file. Going to call it functions.php. So here we're going to say class controller extend module, class extend module. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is we're going to set a variable. So just to statement. Let me set a function, public function set customers go. Okay. So make it very fast, we'll just copy what we have here and we paste it here. So we'll paste it here first also. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying So we're going to have 8 placeholders here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So that we're going to have, so we're going to say query equals to this dot connect dot prepare then we're going to say query execute an array. So we're going to copy everything we have here, copy it, paste it down like this. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a new file. We're going to call it review.php. Have a doc type there. Okay. So we'll go to our document, go to the backend, come to the review, copy the action method. It's going to be post. It's going to be post method. It's going to be post method. Alright guys, now so we want to insert the database. We want to insert this information here into database here. So that's the thing we want to do. So let's insert it now. Let's do that now. So then include of functions PHP and say if is set btn. So right here we're going to start giving all these things names here. The name is going to be name. It's going to be address, phone, delivery type, delivery food, wishes, btn. So we can test it, see if it's working. So it is working. So we go back. So this place here. Then we can start setting some names here. It's equals to name. So we're going to copy that. So name here is going to be phone. It's going to be phone. It's going to be an address. Let me see the way I did that address up here first of all. Okay. There's going to be a delivery type. Delivery food. It's going to be wishes. So we have the delivery type here. We have the delivery food, then we have the wishes, then we have the BTN. Okay, we are good to go. So the next thing which we want to do now is let's set a date. We'll set a date, let's say equals to time something. Set an object. Just date equals to the date. We have year, we have month, and we have day. We have time. Then we have time. So the next thing we want to do is that we are going to insert into the database now. We are going to insert there. Let's create a new variable. Let's call this enter data equals to the new controller. So here what we're going to do here is pretty simple. This is an if condition. So we're going to say if the user picks pizza, cake or pepper, do something. So I'm going to say if delivery food double equals to pizza, then do this. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to say pizza equals to $9,000. 9,000. I'm going to say enter data customer. Am I correct? Okay, I am, I guess. So I'm going to have my name, phone number, address, delivery type, pizza, delivery food, dates, and their wishes. So if it's successful, we do an echo, but the echo with a long div. Yeah, a very long div, an echo with a very long div. So yes, so what we are going to do now, we're going to start off a div. So it equals to a class scat staff colon is offset 3. So the next thing we are going to have is going to be an header. saying is size 4 as text with bold, saying ML6, saying it's centered at header title, saying your order has been seen. So we're going to close the header like that. So we're going to have another H1. Have another H1 here. That H1 is going to have as text with bold, as text centered. We're going to say review, order, to close down the H1. Yes, like that. So the next step we're going to take is going to have another div as a class. The class is going to be a card content. We are going to close the tags. Close it there. Next steps, we're going to have another p tag sent to a class. Let's say is size 4. Okay, say name. So this name here, which is this name here, so we're going to copy everything we have like this. Copy everything like that. So it's going to be your address. Address is going to be your phone. So here is going to be your delivery type. Type is going to be delivery food. There's going to be pizza price, total price. There's going to be wishes, and after that we are going to have a link. So href go / user page slash other page dot html. Okay, we're good to go. I'm sorry. Okay, this is the if statement there. This is it. Okay, good. So we can test this now. We can test it out. You can refresh it. You could say trump me. So we road. Let's just put a random text there. You guys can add a error to it. So it's a office delivery. We're eating pizza. I like salt. Much of it. So if we click on submit, oh, we're having an error on line 6 in function. On line 6 in function, where is the error? Okay, that is the error. Let's refresh that again. We're having an error on line 9. Okay, there's an error. We have an error on line 17. Okay, it's 1T. We have an error. Delivery type. We have an error on the controller. I think all we just need to do is just to copy the controller. Yes, that's all we need to do. Let's copy it. Let's copy it, refresh it. Okay, we are having another error on the connection. What is wrong with our connection? We have host DB name. Okay. This should be fetch mode. Refresh. Okay, we're having connection errors with our functions again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to move one away. Okay, I don't believe we should have another error. We have another error again on line 10. What is the error? So addresses. Okay, so we are doing very good here. Just let's style it very well. So in this pizza, I changed it to pizza price, so it's $9,000. So all you just have to do is just to come to your order.html, then copy what you have here, the Bulma link, then paste it on top of your header tag here. So that's all. So when you refresh, it's going to save this information twice. We have an error again on line 10. error. What is our error now? What's the error delivery type? We have price, we have delivery food, what is the error? What is the error? Show yourself. Delivery type, name, phone, address, delivery type. Okay. Undefined variable pizza online 29. This should be pizza price. Let's go back. Let's refill again. Let's say Trump. Say main road. Phone number random one. Office delivery. Is eating pizza. I need Coke. Okay, so our order has been booked. The order has been seen. Review orders. This is it. This is your order. So like I said, you can style this thing the way you want it. You can style it. Let's just copy what we have here like this. Then paste it here like this. Oh, sorry. Then paste that like that. So we can click go back home. So let's type in another person. Let's say Mary. Point address Runner Road Way. Random phone number. Let's random phone number. Let's say on pick, come pick for this pizza. Nothing. So our order has been seen. If you refresh your database, it's going to be, it has been inserted into the database now. So guys, this will be the end of the video. I'm going to be posting the second video part where we are going to be building the search engine, the admin search engine, where it's going to display all the databases. Okay guys, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.